Today we will see question number 10 from 10.3 straight lines. Question says the line passing through point 8,3 and 4,1 intersects this line at a right angle. Find the value of h. Okay, so they have given there is some line which is passing through 8,3 and 4,1, and this line is perpendicular to this line. So suppose the equation of this line is given 7x minus 9y minus 19 is 0. Okay, so we have to find out the value of h. So we know the condition, if two lines are perpendicular, the slope of this line m1 and slope of this line m2, then for perpendicular lines, what is the condition? M1 into M2 should be minus 1. The product of slopes should be minus 1. So let me take, suppose this is AB line and this is CD. Okay. So what is the slope of AB line? I can say MAB. So MAB is y2 minus y1, x2 minus x1 is given by this if 2 points are provided. See here, 2 points are provided, then slope is given by this. So where this is x1 y1 and this is, guys, x2 y2. Okay, so let me put the values. Y2 minus y1 is 1 minus 3, x2 minus x1 is 4 minus h is MAB. This is my first slope, or I can write minus 2 by 4 minus h. Understood? Okay, because 1 minus 3 is minus 2. This is MAB of this line. What is the slope of this line? CD line. So up here, this equation is given 7x minus 9y minus 19 is 0. Correct? So if I compare it with AX plus BY plus C is 0. So what is the slope of line, guys? Slope is minus A by B, as I told you before. So if I compare it, so what is A here is 7. What is B here? Minus 9. What is C here? Minus 19. Correct. So what will be the slope? Slope will be minus A by B, which will be minus 7 by minus 9, which is 7 by 9. So this is my slope 1 and this is my slope 2, or I can call it MCD. Correct. So I got both values. Now let me use this condition. So I am supposed to do this into this should be equal to minus 1. Correct. So let me put this. I am trying to do MAB into MCD is minus 1. So MAB is minus 2, this one, by 4 minus h into MCD is this 7 by 9 is minus 1. Okay. So now I will take this product this side. So 7 2s are 14. So minus 14 is equal to, what is this into this? Minus 1 into 4 minus h into 9. Minus minus will become plus. Correct. Now this will be 14 is equal to 9 4s are 36 minus 9h. Okay. So in order to solve it, what should I do, guys? This is my 14 is equal to 36 minus 9h. So I can take this side and this will come here. So it will become 9h is equal to 36 minus 14. Correct. So this will become 9h is equal to 22, which means h is 22 by 9. So this is my answer. I hope you got it. I just wanted to tell you one small thing here, that if any line is given, there are two methods to find out the slope. One method I told you is minus A by B. If you are not comfortable with this method, there is another method to find out the slope, and that method, let me explain. Suppose this is the line given. and you completely forgot the formula for slope. So what you can do is convert it into y is equal to mx plus c form, guys. Okay, so to convert it, I am supposed to make y term as positive and without any coefficient. To make it positive, I will keep it there. So 7x minus 19 will remain here. This will become 9y. Okay, now I am writing it this side just to make it little bit more familiar. Okay, now what I am supposed to do is I have to keep x in this c term here, but I don't want any coefficient with y. You see, nothing is there with y. So I am dividing by 9 to get rid of this 9. So I have to divide everywhere because I can't just do it one side. So everywhere I am doing it. So this will cancel. So I am getting y is equal to 7 by 9 minus 19 by 9. Now I am ready to compare it with y is equal to mx plus c. So I can see m is this, correct, and c is this. So m is 7 by 9 and c is minus 19 by 9. This is your y-intercept. Though we don't need this in question, we need only this slope so that we can apply this condition to get the value of h. So I hope you understood this question. Number 11 from Straight Lines NCERT book. This is very easy question. They are saying prove that the line through this point is parallel to this. The equation is this. Okay, so they are saying there is some line which is passing through x1 and y1 and parallel to this given line, this one, which is ax plus by plus c is equal to 0. If these two lines are parallel, so what will happen? The slope of this line, suppose m1, the slope of this line will also be m1 if they are parallel, right? So for this equation, for equation of any line, we need two things. What do we need? Two things. Usually we need one point, and second thing we need slope. One point is given, which is x1 and y1, and slope we can take from here, right? So for any given line, as I told you before, for any given line, how to get slope? We convert it, we keep one side y and other things we are supposed to take other side. So it will be minus of ax minus of c. What I am trying to do, guys, is I am trying to bring it in this form, y is equal to mx plus c, so that after comparison with this I can get my m is slope. So let me do one thing. If I see y here, there is no coefficient. So let me divide b because I can cancel it. If I am dividing here, I will divide here as well. Okay. So here b cancel. So I am getting y is equal to minus a by bx minus c by b. Correct. So now I am ready to compare. This equation is exactly looking like this. Okay. Instead of m, I have minus a by b. So my slope is minus a by b and my c part is minus c by b, which is called y coefficient. Y intercept, but we don't need it here. We need it as slope to be used here. Correct. So I got slope of this line also, right? Because these two are parallel. Whatever is the slope of this line is same as of this. So I got point, and I also calculated slope, which I am writing here. Okay. So once we know one point and one slope, what is the equation of line, guys? Y minus y1 m into x minus x1. This is the equation of line. So y minus y1 is the point, is equal to m. M is minus a by b. Okay, x minus x1. Now b will go there. So it will be b into y minus y1 is minus of a x minus x1. I am supposed to bring it in this form. So I am just one step away. Just bring this here. So this will become plus, and I am writing it this side. So it will become a times x minus x1 plus b times y minus y1 is equal to 0. So this is my equation which I was supposed to prove, right? So I can say hence proved. 12th, two lines passing through point 2, 3 intersect each other at 60 degree. So they are kind of saying there are, if I make a diagram, there are two lines. Suppose AB and CD intersecting each other at 60 degree. If the slope of one line is 2, so we can say, suppose this is M1 is 2, M2 we don't know. To find the equation of other line. So this is your other line, which equation you want, and for this slope is given. And they both are passing through this point, and this point is given 2, 3. Okay. So how to find the equation of line? So there are two things we need, point and slope. Point is directly given, right? For equation, what do we need? We need point and we need slope. Point is given 2, 3. Slope is not known. So that is hidden between this information. That angle is 60 between them and one angle is this. Guys, if you remember, there was a formula tan theta, angle between two lines is this. M1 into M2 with mod. So I will make use of this formula to solve this question. Okay. So theta is given 60 degree. M1 is given, only M2 is unknown. So let me write down. Tan 60 is M1, which is 2. M2 is unknown by 1 plus 2 into M2 mod. What is tan 60? Tan 60 is root 3 is equal to 2 minus M2 by 1 minus, 2 M2. Okay. For some time, I am assuming M2 is M because I have to write multiple times. So this is just assuming mod. Here I want to tell you, before solution, we need to get rid of this mod. How to get rid of mod, guys? If suppose you are given mod of x, possibly the is a. So there are chances that x, which is inside, may be a or it may be minus a. So that's how we open mod. If mod of x is given as a, then there are chances that x was a or x was minus a. Then only it became a and came out, right? So that's how we open the mod. So here this mod is equal to root 3. So there are chances that either 2 minus m by 1 minus 2m, now I am calling m2 as m, is plus root 3. This is first equation. Or there are chances that 2 minus m and 1 plus 2m is minus root 3. This is second possibility. So I wanted the value of m2, but there are chances that I have two equations and I might end up having two m2 values. So there are chances I might be having two possible equations. So let me solve for m first. To solve for m, what will I do? I will take first equation first. So let me write down 2 minus m 1 plus 2m1 is equal to root 3. Can I take it here? Okay. So this will be 2 minus m is equal to root 3 into 1 plus 2m1. Now multiply it inside. This is m only. Okay. So this is 2 minus m is root 3 plus 2 root 3m. Root 3 is multiplied with this and this both. Okay. So let me collect m one side and numbers other side. So I can take 2 minus root 3. This I am taking 2 root 3m plus m. Okay, this m coming here and coming plus. Here I can take m common. So it is 2 root 3 plus 1 into m. Okay. So what will be m? So that means this will go down. So can I say m is 2 minus root 3 by 2 root 3 plus 1. This is my m in first case. In second case, what will I get? This was case 1. Understood? This was my case 1 and I am end up having m is this. Now let me try for case 2. So case 2 was 2 minus m 1 plus 2m is root 3. Okay. So what it will become here? So 2 minus m is root 3 plus 2 root 3m. Okay. I have to collect m values one side. So m here and number here. It will be 2 minus root 3, 2 root 3m plus m. Okay. So what can I take common, guys, here? M common. It will be 2 minus root 3 is equal to 2 root 3 plus 1 into m. Okay. So that means my m will be, see, this whole thing I am sending this side. So this m will be 2 minus root 3, this part, by this part, which is 2 root 3 plus 1. So this is my m value. So because of mod problem, I got 2 m possible values. So what will be my equation of line? So write down equation of line will be y minus y1 m into x minus x1. Formulas please always write in a box. Right, this is my formula. So what was the point given? Point given was 2, 3. And what is the slope? Is this. So I am just putting here. The point was 2, 3. So y minus, see, point is 2, 3. So this is x1 and this is y1. Okay. So x1 and y1. y1 I will take 3 here is equal to m. So case 1 may I will take, let me write equation for case 1 here and case 2 here. So this I am taking 2 minus root 3, 2 root 3 plus 1 into x minus x1, which is 2. So this is my final answer. Okay. Now in this case, if m is this, point is still same. Point is still 2, 3. So what will be the equation, guys? Y minus y1, which is 3. M is what? See, this is the equation. So m is what? This. So I will take 2 minus root 3, 2 root 3 plus 1 into x minus x1. So this is my equation. So either this or this is my answer. Either this or this. The desired line which is satisfying this condition, which is an angle of 60 degree from this line, and this line is having slope 2. Why I am getting 2 lines, guys? Any idea? See, I am assuming this line is here at 60 degree. There are chances that there might be another line is also at 60 degree here at 60 degree. So maybe the second possible line equation is for this. Okay, that's why I am getting 2 possible equations, one for this and one for this. Question number 13 from same exercise 10.3. They're saying find the equation of right bisector of line segment joining this point and this point. To read question carefully, they're saying right bisector. So what does it mean? If 2 points are given 3, 4 and minus 1, 2, the line segment joining these 2 points. Okay, the equation what we have to find out is right bisector. Bisector means in the middle. Bi matlab dividing into 2 equal parts. Sector means dividing. Right angle means it is perpendicular. So this is the line that you want, which is at 90 degree on this segment and passing through the midpoint, because by means 2, sector means pieces, 2 equal pieces. Okay, so for this AB equation we need two things, right? So you remember, for equation we need two things. We need always point. Second thing, we need slope. 99% time. How to get any point? A is not given, B is not given, but there is a clue. It is passing through midpoint. It is passing through midpoint. Okay, from there we will get the point. From where slope? They are saying this is perpendicular. At least we can find the slope of this line, and perpendicular we can find out by the condition. So they want to test us with multiple small formulas. Okay, so for midpoint, what is the formula, guys? Midpoint is x1 plus x2 by 2 and y1 plus y2 by 2. This is the formula. So suppose this is x1 y1 and this is my x2 y2. So what will be this point? So this point will be x1 plus x2 by 2. So 3 minus 1 by 2. y1 plus y2 by 2. 4 plus 2 by 2. Okay. So what is 3 minus 1? Is 2 by 2. 6 by 2. Which is nothing but 1 comma 3. Because this is 3 and this is 1. So at least I got the point. So this is my point. Now I need a slope. So suppose the slope of this line is m1 and what I need is m2. So what is m1? What is the formula of any line equation? y2 minus y1, not equation, sorry, slope, by x2 minus x1. If 2 points are known, this is very straightforward formula for slope. So let me apply it. y2 minus y1, which is 2 minus 4, by x2 minus x1. So minus 1 and minus 3. So it is minus 2 by minus 4. So what I will get is, this will cancel. So I am getting 1 by 2. So this is the slope for this line. Keep in mind. But we need for this line. Okay. So 1 by 2 is for horizontal line. For this line, what will be the slope? Let me solve it. For vertical line, we know that m1 into m2 is minus 1. This is formula. So m1 is 1 by 2. m2, I don't know this, right? So this will go here. So m2 is nothing but minus 2. So I got point and I got slope. Okay. So I just need equation. So what is the equation, guys? Y minus y1 is m into x minus x1. The point is x1 y1 and m is the slope. So I am fitting it. Y minus y1. So जो मेरा point है, that is 1 comma 3. So what is y1 here is 3. What is x1 here is 1. So I will take minus 3. M is what? M I got for my line is minus 2 into x minus 1. Okay, the line that I wanted, the slope for this, see, m1 was 1 by 2, but m2 that I wanted was minus 2. So I will keep minus 2 in my equation here. Okay, so now I am getting y minus 3 minus 2x plus 2. See, minus I am multiplying with this and this, correct? Okay, so let me take this and numbers this side. So y plus 2x is 2 plus 3. So it is 2x plus y is equal to 5. This is my equation of line. I am just changing the order. 2x first and y then. And 3 plus 2 is 5. So this is my final equation.